Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a dreamy warm color grading in CapCut Mobile. So first, you can just add your videos to CapCut and then go straight to filter. Find the movies category and then select the green orange filter. Okay, this one, set it to around 100. Now go to adjust and you can follow the settings. So for the contrast, lower it to -10, brilliance increase it to 10, and then click on the HSL, click on the orange color, set the hue to around 20, and also the lightness. Then click on the yellow color and set it like the orange color, so hue and lightness 20. Now click on the blue color, set the hue to 20, and then the saturation at -30. Lastly, the lightness 10. Now go back and click on shadow, increase it to 10, and lower the hue to -5. Lastly, click on the fade and add it around 15. Now click on the check icon, so this will be the result. But if you want a dreamy vibe, you can go to effect, video effects, find the lens category, and then select the soft video effect. So scroll down until you find soft, this one. Set it to your liking, but I'm going to set it to around 30. Okay, now just click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the video effect, and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye!